Hey everybody, happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm here in Lake Worth. I'm doing an open house in this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 4,700 square foot home with a pool. How about we go take a look? Here we go. Tommy Huff, Tommy International, Tommy the Realtor. Let's take a look. Okay. Somewhat of a corner lot, bend in the road, 3-car garage, paver stone driveway, nice old growth trees. You've got accordion storm shutters. You have a 40-year concrete roof. We come in, we've got a nice little porch, double doors. Come into the house. Got 18-inch diagonal laid marble tile, 5-inch baseboards. Got our formal dining room. There are plantation shutters throughout. If you notice, we have uplighting in the crown molding. Got a nice little dry bar set up. Come down here into the family room. Laundry room inside the house, front load. Again, plantation shutters throughout. Go out here, got the kitchen. Come out here to the back patio. You got a fully screened in lanai. You have a covered porch, Tommy Bahama outdoor fans, 8-person jacuzzi, an elevated whirlpool for the pool. You got a lap pool, and you look out onto the lake. So nice water feature. Lanai covers both stories. And we'll see why, because there's actually a second floor patio off the master suite. Come back into the house. The entire deck is paver stoned. There are poles for childproof fencing around the pool. Okay, let's go back in the house here. Again, you've got accordion shutters for every window and door. Very nice, very easy. The cat doesn't stay. Come through the kitchen, custom cabinetry, full Whirlpool stainless steel appliance package, center island, granite counters, dual sink, huge pantry. Okay, this is definitely a family home. Got the main living area with a gas log fireplace. Main room is 2 stories, open ceiling. Come down here. This is the guest wing of the house. It does have its own 2.5-ton separate AC unit. It is a carrier. Nice. We've got a guest bathroom, shower tub combo, or actually just a shower, forgive me, not shower tub, and then a cabana door out to the outside. So very convenient, easy to use. There you go. Bob's your uncle, right? Okay, let's come back here into the house. Now, this downstairs bedroom / home office, they've set up as a gym with a dance yoga bar. Got plantation shutters again. There is a closet. This is actually a bedroom, but they are using it as a gym. Let's go take a look upstairs. Okay, so up the stairs. I'm going to start here with bedroom number 1. Again, this is obviously one of the kids' bedrooms. Plantation shutters, closet organizer. This then has a Jack and Jill bathroom, dual vanities. Come over here, tub shower combo. Second kid's bedroom, opposing closets. Yay! Lots of closet space, closet organizer. Every room is hardwired for cable and internet, and has intercom and music throughout the house. Okay, we're gonna come in here. This is a 3rd guest bedroom. Also could be a second master with the size. Okay, nice, big, spacious room. Lots of light from the outside. Got a good sized walk-in closet. Okay, and then it does have its own private ensuite bathroom. Pedestal sink and shower tub combo. Okay. Come back over here. We're going to the master bedroom. Nice big foyer landing area. Linen closet. Okay. Now the master bedroom has its own in-home office. This could also be used as a nursery. If you walled this in, you could put a door there and actually make this a 6th bedroom. Again, you have the uplighting and the crown molding, okay, throughout the whole bedroom area. Nice big master suite. And then, you know, here we have its own private patio off the master. So we'll take a look at it later. But yeah, nice view of the lake. You can set a nice table and chairs out there. Have a nice little sitting area. Now we've got his and hers closets across from each other. Nice, big, deep. Okay. All right, and then we come into the master bathroom. We've got a his and hers vanities, tub in the middle, and then shower. And then you've got bathroom with toilet and bidet, private water closet. Okay? All right. Go back down here. Back to the main hallway of the 2nd bedroom. It does come with a Nest system, home alarm. And again, here's a view down below. If you have questions about this house or any others in the South Florida area, please give me a call or send me an email. Tommy Huff, Tommy International, Tommy the Realtor. Talk to you soon. Bye.